Have you ever wondered how celebrities maintain those movie star smiles? Well, the secret isn't just about expensive treatments and fancy toothbrushes. In fact, there are some simple and effective oral health hacks that can make anyone achieve a dazzling smile. Welcome to the greatest YouTube channel, Vitality Lab TV, the ultimate destination for those who want a healthy smile on their face all over the world. In this video, we're going to reveal these top secret hacks that will transform your oral health. So get ready to say goodbye to bad breath, plaque buildup, and yellow teeth. Tip number 1. Proper brushing techniques. Let's talk about dental care in a simple, straightforward way. It's more than just brushing your teeth. It's an art. The tools you choose and how you use them matter a lot. This daily ritual is about keeping your mouth healthy. Good oral health is key to your overall well-being. Think about your toothbrush. It's not just any brush. It should fit your mouth perfectly. Choose one with soft bristles that are gentle yet effective. It needs to be the right size. Small enough to reach every corner, but big enough to clean well. Your toothbrush is a key tool in fighting plaque and germs every day. Now let's dive into the brushing technique. It is important to hold your brush at a 45-degree angle to your gums while using short strokes, back and forth, covering each tooth. This method isn't random. It's a careful way to fight gum disease and tooth decay. The base, or sulcular technique, is especially good for cleaning under the gums. Brushing regularly is also very important. The best practice is twice a day. Once in the morning to start the day off right, and once at night to clean off the day's buildup. Use fluoride toothpaste for extra protection against decay and gum problems. Bad breath won't stand a chance. Be smart about choosing your toothpaste. There are many types, some for sensitive teeth, some for preventing cavities, and others for gum health. But be careful with whitening toothpaste. Using it frequently can damage your tooth enamel. Finally, remember to replace your toothbrush. After 3 to 4 months, it's time for a new one. A fresh toothbrush is more effective at keeping your teeth clean. Tip number 2. Effective flossing methods. Flossing is crucial to oral hygiene. It's often forgotten, but it's key for healthy teeth and gums. Floss reaches where toothbrushes can't. It's not just about removing things, it's also about preventing problems. Here's how to floss. Start with around 12-inch pieces of floss. Wrap it a couple of times around your pointer finger on your left hand. Then wrap it the same way on your index finger in your right hand. This prep is as important as the flossing itself. Hold the floss tight between your thumbs and index fingers. Gently slide it between your teeth. Be careful and precise. Use a clean piece of floss for each tooth. The floss should curve around each tooth. It goes below the gum line. This is crucial for fighting plaque and food particles. If you skip this, you risk gum diseases such as inflamed gums, infections, and gum disease. If unchecked, gum disease can result in a recessed gum line. So, flossing is more than a habit. It's a defense against oral diseases. You need to make it part of your daily routine. It could be in the morning or at night. Flossing can fit into any part of your day. Even if you're busy, keep floss handy for quick use. If regular floss is hard to use, there are options. Floss picks are easy to handle. Water flossers are another modern choice. Flossing needs commitment. Whether you're new to it or have been doing it for years, it always helps. Start flossing now. It's vital for keeping your mouth healthy. It protects against future dental problems, and it keeps your smile looking great. Tip number 3. Natural teeth whitening remedies. Many people want a brighter smile. They often turn to natural remedies instead of modern dentistry. This is because they want to avoid harsh chemicals. Natural methods can be gentler and safer for your teeth. One popular natural method is coconut oil pulling. This is an old practice. You swish oil in your mouth, which helps pull out bacteria and plaque. Oil pulling might lessen the harmful bacteria in your mouth, potentially lowering your risk of certain health issues. Another natural remedy is a homemade paste. You can make it from baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. This paste can gently remove stains from your teeth. It's a simple way to make your teeth look whiter. Eating fruits and vegetables is also helpful, especially those high in fiber. They act like a natural toothbrush. Every time you bite, they help clean your teeth. This can help keep your teeth looking bright and healthy. Natural methods are popular because they avoid harsh chemicals. Many commercial teeth whitening products have strong bleaching agents. These can be tough on your teeth, enamel, and gums. By using natural remedies, you protect your teeth and gums from potential damage. But it's important to use natural remedies wisely. For example, baking soda can be rough on your teeth. If you use it too much, it can wear down your enamel. Apple cider vinegar is another natural bleaching agent. But if you use it too often, it can also harm your enamel. So it's important to use these remedies in moderation. This way, you can enjoy a brighter smile without damaging your teeth. Tip number 4. Dental care beyond brushing and flossing. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health. It's also really important for your oral health. Think of it as a mix of different nutrients. They all work together to keep your teeth and gums healthy. Imagine eating lots of fruits and vegetables. They add color to your plate and give you lots of vitamins. Dairy products with low sugar are also great. They have calcium, which makes your teeth strong and helps fight decay. Also, don't forget about healthy fats and clean proteins. They are part of this healthy mix, too. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables is like using nature's toothbrush. When you crunch into an apple or a carrot, they help clean your teeth. They also leave your mouth feeling fresh. Leafy greens and foods that are fortified are also good. They help protect your teeth from decay. It's not just about what you eat, but also when and how you eat. Eating raw food at the end of a meal is good. They act like natural dental floss. They massage your gums and make more saliva. This helps clean your mouth after eating. Regular dental checkups are super important. They help you stay on top of your oral health. When you get your teeth professionally cleaned, it's more than just brushing and flossing. It cleans deep in places you might miss at home. After your teeth are cleaned at the dentist, keep eating a nutrient-rich diet. Fill your plate with fruits, veggies, proteins, and whole grains. These are good for your teeth and gums. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are also great. They put minerals back into your teeth and help keep them strong. So remember, a balanced diet is key to healthy teeth and gums. It's part of taking care of your whole body, including your mouth. In addition to a balanced diet and regular dental checkups, staying hydrated plays a crucial role in oral health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is essential. Water helps wash away food particles and bacteria. It's like a natural rinse after meals and snacks. Plus, staying hydrated ensures that your saliva remains at an optimal level. Saliva is important because it neutralizes acids and helps prevent tooth decay and gum disease. It's a good idea to choose water over sugary drinks. Sugary drinks can contribute to tooth decay, so make water your drink of choice. It's a simple yet effective way to support your oral health. So guys, how does your daily diet contribute to the health of your smile, and what changes can you make today to ensure your oral health is in good shape for years to come? Let us know in the comment box below.